Hello, hi everyone. I'm Afiq from DRC Toys. I'm very appreciate for your support. Thank you everyone. Thank you our customers. Thank you our subscribers. And today, I want to thank you to YouTube for sending us this. Thank you very much YouTube. Right. So be heavy. I'm very excited about this, guys. I know you guys will too. Alright, we open up. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, look at this. I'm shaking. Oh my god. Thank you very much, YouTube. Look at that. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, YouTube. And this is not all we want. We want to achieve a goal. For now, we have silver. I know everyone can help us. You are the main. This is what we get for our long journey, guys. From 1 subscriber to 100,000 subscribers. I'm very appreciate for what you guys have done and keep supporting us. Thank you and keep waiting for more. We want more, not this only silver. We want to achieve gold. We must get it and keep watching. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for support the Toys.